So dear students, this is a program on the for loop, and we are calculating the factorial of a number here with the help of the for loop. So we have declared the variable I, and the fact variable is 1 and the number n itself. So this is a printf statement. Then we are scanning it, and this is the if condition. If suppose if we have given the number is 0, then by default the factorial of the number is going to be printed as 1. And this is the for loop where we are initializing the value of I as 1, and the condition goes up to up till the I is less than or equals to n. So for the first time, when the value of I is less than equals to n, suppose we have entered the value of n as 5, so over here the n becomes 5, and suppose you have taken 5, so this condition will be going to be true for the very first time, I less than equals to 5, and the control goes into the loop, and the value of the fact will be calculated as we have initialized fact as 1, so 1 into 1, the value of fact is going to be 1, but it does not come out of the loop. Then we enter into the for loop once again from the back side of the loop, and the value of I is going to be incremented by 1, and it becomes 2. 2 is again less than equals to 5. So this is how this loop will be executed for 5 times, and the value of fact will be calculated like 1 into 1 firstly, then the value of fact is equals to 1, then for the second time 1 multiply by 2, so the value of fact becomes 2. For the next time the value of fact becomes 2, and 2 gets multiplied by 3, and this is how the things will go on and on up to 5 times, and the value of the fact will be calculated like this: 24 gets multiplied by 5, and the final value of 24 multiplied by 5 gets stored into the fact, and the value of fact is going to be 120. And when the value of the I becomes 6, the control goes out of the loop, and the printf is written over here, and the value of fact gets printed. So let us check it and run it. You will see what will be the output if we suppose enter the value of n as 5. Suppose we enter, see, so this is how we can print the factorial of a number. Suppose we have not taken the value n as 5, and suppose we have entered the value of n as 0. Let us see what is the value. The factorial of a number is 1 1 2 times. So this is an error in the program, and we have to check it. Suppose we have entered the value of n as 0, so this printf statement is going to be executed. So in this case we have to write exit over here, and it should come under the body of the if, and we should include one more header file over here, hash include stdlib.h. So this is how the factorial of a number is now 1, because we have written the exit over here. So whenever the exit gets executed, it takes the control out of the program, and no statement will get printed after this. So this for will not be executed, the body of for and this printf will not get executed, and will get factorial of a number is 1 only. So this is the example of the factorial of a number with the help of the for loop.